In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and manipulate a photo studio background in Photoshop quickly and effectively. First, we'll dive into Adobe Photoshop, which is a powerhouse for photo editing. If you don't have it open already, launch Photoshop and have your image ready that you'd like to work on. Let's jump into the process. To begin, upload your image into Photoshop. This image will be the one where we alter the background. It's essential to use a high-resolution image for the best results, especially if you're planning to print or display your work digitally. So once you've got your image, the first tool we'll use is the Select Subject or Object Selection tool. This handy feature automatically detects your main subject and creates a selection around it. It's exceptionally useful for saving time and maintaining accuracy. But selections aren't always perfect. You might notice areas that need some refinement. In these cases, take advantage of the brush tool along with layer masks to fine-tune the edges of your selection. This ensures a seamless interaction between the subject and the new background we're about to add. Now's the time for the exciting part, swapping out the background. You have several options. If you're opting for simplicity, you can add a solid color adjustment layer. Choose any color you feel complements your subject. For those wanting a bit more complexity, drag and drop a new image into your document, positioning it below your subject layer. This layered approach gives you the flexibility to move either the background or subject independently until you get the perfect composition. Additionally, there's room for background manipulation to enhance your photo's aesthetic. Techniques like cropping, expanding with content-aware fill, or introducing effects such as blur or noise can add depth and focus to your composition. Once your background is set, it's time to refine and manipulate. Use the brush tool and layer mask again to clean up your selection if needed. For added creativity, consider overlays. You can drag these below the subject layer, adjusting blend modes like soft light and opacity to introduce subtle yet impactful enhancements. To bring everything together cohesively, utilize tools like hue, saturation, or curves for color adjustments. These allow you to fine-tune tones, ensuring both your subject and background harmonize beautifully in the image. Lastly, let's go over some additional tips to streamline your workflow. Keyboard shortcuts such as Ctrl+CMD plus F help you reach the Discover panel promptly, ideal for quick background removal. The content-aware fill feature can assist in eliminating unwanted elements or expanding backgrounds seamlessly. And, of course, experiment with different blend modes for unique visual effects, or consider incorporating hyper-realistic backgrounds for an ultra-realistic effect. By combining these steps and techniques, you'll not only change your photo backgrounds efficiently, but also elevate your photo editing skills significantly. Enjoy your creative journey, and until next time, keep experimenting and creating.